and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Vishnu starts branding UPA schemes. Digvijay Singh holds secret meeting with Vishnu. Vishnu to defect if Congress confirms ticket. Accused in building collapse case, Ajay Naik Desai surrenders before Madgaon court. Crime branch moves for attachment of builders' properties. Sunil Kautankar to approach higher court if Chief Minister and MLA Faldesai not booked in alleged E-tab scam, alleges DIG of Shielding Parikar. MLA Kaitu Silva gets relief in Portuguese citizenship case. High Court restrains Election Commission and police from taking coercive action against Kaitu. And Goa's list in Culasso and Joleton Dyers clinch ticket to Manchester. 11 Airtel Rising Stars set to train at Manchester United Soccer School. And now the news in detail. Vishnu Wagh, Andre BJP MLA will now work for the branding of UPA government schemes by organizing Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyaan across Goan villages. Vishnu inclination towards Congress are getting more and more evident. Vishnu Wagh told Prudent that BJP failed to recognize his calibre, but Congress is aware about it. Sources say Digvijay held a decisive meeting with Vishnu.
Shripad Naik, BJP leader, has won North Goa seat for 3 consecutive times. Congress and NCP need a tough candidate to fight Shripad Naik from North Goa. Though there are dozens of leaders in both parties ready to contest and are lobbying hard for the ticket. Now, Congress is considering Vishnu Wagh as their North Goa candidate. On the other side, Vishnu is looked upon as a liability to the BJP. As per sources, former MLA Alex Sequeira, MLA Alex Reginald and Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh met Vishnu Wagh late on Thursday night. In a secret meeting, Digvijay Singh has offered Vishnu to contest on North Goa seat, but Vishnu has told Digvijay Singh that he will resign only when North Goa ticket is declared for Congress. Digvijay Singh condemned attack on Vishnu Wagh and was sympathetic towards him. Singh slammed BJP government for letting the culprits scot-free in Vishnu Wagh attack case. Vishnu is grateful to Congress for their support.
No action has been taken against all those people who assaulted Vishnu Wagh. Therefore, I think we have our sympathies for him.
Digvijay Singh ji is a national leader. He may belong to the opposition party. But as a national leader, he has allayed some fears. He has expressed some anguish about the law and order situation in the state. Now, when he says that we sympathize with Vishnu Wagh, I take their sympathies with open heart and I thank them for it.
Majority of office bearers from Congress feel that Vishnu Wagh is the appropriate candidate for North Goa. Digvijay Singh only awaits Vishnu's resignation to decide on his Congress re-entry.
You believe Vishnu should quit BJP on this point?
That is his choice.
And you welcome him if he does that?
That is his choice.
If he does that, you welcome him?
We shall see.
You are open?
We shall see.
Because there have been strong talks that Vishnu might be your candidate from North Goa.
Let's see.
You are open? You are not saying that?
No, we shall cross the bridge when we come to it.
But you are open to crossing the bridge?
But let him first get out of BJP.
जर कांय पक्षांनी आपलो उमेदवार संभाव्य उमेदवार म्हणून जर म्हजें नांव घेतलां आसत जाल्यार म्हाका ती खुशी आहा. हांव तांकां धन्यवाद दितां. धन्यवाद इतलेच खातीर की म्हाजें कॅलिबर तेणी तरी वळखलें की विष्णू वाघाचें कॅलिबर लोकसभा लडोवपाचें योग्य आसा. इतलें तरी रेकॉग्निशन तांणी म्हाका दिलें. हेचे बद्दल तांचे मना पासून आभार.
Vishnu is contented as Congress has recognized his worth. Now Vishnu has started branding UPA schemes. Vishnu Wagh, BJP MLA, inaugurated central government sponsored Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyaan on Friday. And it will not be only for Sant Andre but across the villages of the state.
The function has been organized by Nehru Yuva Kendra, which is a central government organization. So there is nothing wrong in going there and launching the policy.
Vishnu Wagh has also announced to launch a massive agitation against government for its medium of instruction decision. Bureau Prudent.
One of the prime accused in the Concon building collapse case, municipal engineer Decisive, surrendered before the Sessions Court in South Goan on Friday. He has remanded 8 days police custody. Meanwhile, the second bail plea of Deputy Town and Country Planner Prakash Bandodkar was heard. Order is reserved for 26th. The crime branch on Friday moved an application for attachment of 12 properties of the builder in its status report. After Ajay's anticipatory bail plea was rejected by the High Court on Wednesday, he surrendered before the Sessions Court at Madgaon on Friday. Ajay has been charged for corruption and various other charges. He has been ordered 8 days police custody.
I have surrendered Ajay today because bail was refused by the District Court as well as by the High Court. We believe that the findings of the High Court that the accused cannot be found to have committed an offence under 304 is plausible, and if they have questions to ask him, perhaps they would be under the Prevention of Corruption Act only. And that is I advise my client to surrender, and we shall move for bail a little later on so that they get sufficient time to find out whether we have been involved in the collapse of the building at all. Because we were latecomers, we had not joined the municipality till July 2012. Not only that, the file pertaining to Ruby construction, that is the building that has collapsed, came to our table only in 2013. By that time, 3 years had passed and the building had been completed by then. Therefore, it appeared to the High Court that we may not be involved in the collapse of that building. How many days remand? 8 days remand has been given by the court.
Meanwhile, arguments on the bail plea of Deputy Town Planner Prakash Bandodkar were heard on Friday. Matter has been kept for orders on 26th.
प्रकाश बांदोडकरांनी आज बेल एप्लिकेशन फायल केल्ली. फर्स्ट बेल एप्लिकेशन जेसी वता ताचे फाटल्यान फर्स्ट बेल एप्लिकेशन एक पयली बेल रिजेक्ट जाल्या, तेन्ना तो 6 दीस पुलीस कस्टडी आशिल्लो. आज ताची पयली परती बेल जेसी वचून फर्स्ट बेल आर्ग्यू जाल्या. आतां 26 तारखेक ऑर्डरी दवरल्या. आमची मेन कंटेंशन की ताजेर फकत करप्शना चार्जीस आसात आनी करप्शनाचे चार्जीस आसून पसून अजुनूय इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग एजन्सी कडेन कॉन्क्रीट कांय एविडन्स ना.
The crime branch has moved the application before the Sessions Court for the attachment of properties of the builder Jagdeep Sehgal. Public prosecutor Sarojini Sardinia informed the court 12 properties of Jagdeep Sehgal to be attached. Shop owner in one of the properties of Ruby Builders interrogated. Daughter of Jagdeep Sehgal interrogated. Jagdeep Sehgal is a British national according to reliable records. Passport details have been drawn, immigration portals activated, specimen signatures of accused chief officers taken. Now, the orders on the bail plea of 2 chief officers have been reserved for 24th February. Order on Prakash Bandodkar's plea is reserved for 26th. Reporter Pratik Parab and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. The High Court has restrained Election Commission and police to take any coercive action against Benali MLA Kaitu Silva. Kaitu is alleged to have Portuguese citizenship. He has filed a petition before the High Court at Goa following Delhi High Court's order.
Benali MLA Kaitu Silva is facing a disqualification plea for allegedly having dual citizenship. He got interim relief from the High Court at Goa on Friday as the High Court directed Election Commission and the police not to take any coercive action against him till further orders. Union Home Ministry has declared Kaitu a Portuguese citizen. The Delhi High Court on 6 January, while granting interim relief, had stayed Union Home Ministry's order and had given Kaitu 8 weeks' time to approach Goa bench of Bombay High Court. During the hearing, Kaitu contended that Election Commission or police can take any action against him, while the Advocate General stated that citizenship matter is a very serious matter and any action should not be taken in a hurry. The High Court in its interim order restrained the Election Commission and police to take any coercive action till next date of hearing, that is 28 February. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.